Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Facebook Messenger for customer support in 2025. Now, if you run a business page or an online store, Messenger can help you manage the questions, orders, and customer feedback all in one place. So let's go through how you can set it up and use it efficiently. So first of all, you need to open your Meta Business Suite on your desktop or on your mobile. So currently I'm here in my desktop. Over here, you will see the option of inbox. So you need to come here in the inbox. After that, here you are going to see the option of connect. So you just have to tap on the option of connect and then you need to select messenger. Now, after that, you will have to basically link your messenger application. So since I'm using it on my desktop, it is already showing me the clear filter option, which means that it is already connected. But if you are using it on your phone, you will have to first of all make the connection. Now, once both of these applications are linked, all of your messages from your Facebook account will be shown over here. So you can just click on them, you can view them, you can assign the messages to your team members with the help of this particular dashboard. Now over here in this box, you are going to see the option of automations. So here when you go to the automations section, you will see the option of automation replies. So this is the feature that you need to turn on in order to instant reply and FAQ buttons and away messages. For example, you can just select it and type your keyword and then you can enter your private message in which you can type something like this: hey there, thanks for reaching out, we will get back to you shortly. So this keeps your customer engaged even when you are offline. Now under the same settings, you can just simply go to the quick replies tab as well, where you can add the FAQs like delivery time, pricing, and support hours. So this way you will be able to use Messenger for customer support in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.